we are going to, well, she shook them up, and then we're gonna bring them up there, and then she's gonna let it explode all over.
Oh yeah.
As soon as she brings this up. All over, that's what she said, right? Yeah. There it goes. Okay. Turtle, what side are you gonna do it off of?
I'll do it on this side if you want.
Okay.
You do it off of. Shake it! Woo, yeah! Both of them at once?
If you can.
That's kind of impossible. I don't think I can open them both at once.
Here, do you want Kyle to come up there and do the other one? Kyle, go up there.
my hat.
I will. This is Kyle's hat and I'm holding it.
You're failing.
Shut up. I can't even videotape it because I'm putting on a hat, which is...
We're doing it, man.
Okay, bro?
You're doing it? Alright, I'm ready. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't do it. Wait. 2, 3.
That was depressing! Yeah, bro!
Yeah!
Woo. Shake it up more as you spill it. Yeah! That's depressing.
That's what she said.
I was expecting more!
Well, you need Mentos for that.
Right.
And, you know.
Yeah! Woo!
Wait.
Oh, she's gonna drink it. Yeah, bitch.